The Moros GCL170 is a trailer designed specifically for processing scrap metal, particularly crushing unwanted vehicles. To make the process more efficient, the trailer is equipped with a crane and its receiving section is spacious enough to load entire cars without requiring preliminary disassembly. The Moros GCL170 operates using its own diesel engine, and its dimensions comply with road regulations in numerous countries. Hilton Communal equips vehicles with rail cleaning systems that excel at polishing tram tracks using shearling technology. These systems employ specialized scrapers and brushes, along with a high-pressure system of 800 bar, ensuring effective cleaning even in complex areas such as switch tracks. Additionally, built-in suction components can handle up to 25,000 cubic meters per hour. The equipment is arranged so that these vehicles can seamlessly operate both on roads and railways, with dimensions designed to allow entry into subway tunnels. Here is another trailer option specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for off-road use, this model is sold by ST Trailers and is operated remotely, allowing workers to perform tasks safely from a distance. One of its unique features is that the trailer's clamps move along a horizontal axis. For more details, ST Trailers recommends visiting their website. Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36,2 tons, but also extends in length. When fully stretched, it reaches 15 meters, significantly surpassing many competitors. A truck using this trailer can transport multiple pieces of equipment or long loads such as building materials. Its efficiency is further improved by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which guarantees optimal road clearance. We looked up the price, around $9,000. These unique arms from VDL are specifically designed to handle heavy loads. The flagship model can lift up to 40 tons onto a trailer. Even more impressive are the VDL Cam Plus and VDL Eye Control technologies. The first allows the driver to operate the arm manually in semi-automatic mode or fully automatically. The second focuses on safety, preventing accidents by intervening if the truck tilts excessively to either side. It is clear why VDL is a leading name in the Benelux market. The Zazlav Trails trailer may seem ordinary at first glance. It features a deck measuring 12, 6-core 2, 4 meters and a galvanized steel frame. So, what makes it worth mentioning? Here's the surprise: it includes a unique and incredibly practical feature. It's not about the removable sides or even the liftable axle. This trailer is a tipper, capable of tilting both left and right. This remarkable functionality is achieved through 3 hydraulic cylinders, each with a pressure of 160 bar. As a result, this trailer isn't just more versatile than most, it can also save significant unloading time in various situations. The Hoplo system helps drivers manage blind spots. It is a radar-based solution with customizable settings that presents clear data on a screen. To prevent false alarms, Hoplo verifies each detection 5 times before alerting the driver. The system functions effectively in all weather conditions and is compatible with various types of heavy machinery, including forklifts, excavators, and trucks. The Century 5130 is the world's best-selling heavy-duty towing and recovery unit. It can effortlessly tow a semi-trailer. Its boom is so powerful that, even at its maximum reach of 3 meters, it can handle a load of 15.8 tons. Additionally, the Century 5130 features 2 winches capable of pulling a combined weight of 22.6 tons. The hydraulic supports are a standout feature. Their design ensures the bases stay flat for work on asphalt or concrete. When extra grip is required, the supports can adapt to dig into the ground. There's also ample storage space for tools, chains, and other equipment. In fact, the pass-through box is spacious enough to accommodate a drive shaft. The PAV Strong Semi-Trailer by Pavelli is an advanced solution for hauling heavy loads. Just how heavy? Depending on its axle and tire configuration, it can carry up to 5 tons, enough for a bus, military vehicle, or combine harvester. But its impressive load capacity isn't its only strength. In its standard setup, it features 3 advanced axles. The first is liftable, the second is fixed, and the third is self-steering. The trailer's components can be raised or lowered to create an ideal platform for various loads. It can also be extended by 3 meters and includes a hydraulically assisted ramp. On top of all this, the semi-trailer is remotely controlled, making it a true marvel of engineering. The EX9 team has stepped into the autonomous transport sector, but they're not just working on technology for robotic trucks. They're also developing an unmanned transport-as-a-service model. After a successful pilot project with DHL France, EX9's future looks promising. The team claims their solutions will increase productivity by 30%, cut CO2 emissions by more than 90%, and significantly reduce accidents. The EX9 pilot also incorporates AI algorithms and computer vision, allowing it to determine where to pick up and park trailers and when to recharge. Plus, there's remote control functionality for added safety. An innovative printer that attaches to a truck and prints road markings at incredible speeds. Each marking element takes less than 30 seconds. The printer uses a specialized thermoplastic paint that maintains its color and integrity for many years. It is also highly durable, with certain types used exclusively on runways. With this printer, workers not only complete tasks faster, but also operate more safely, especially when applying markings on busy highways. Steelbro claims to manufacture the most valuable side lifters in the world. These machines convert ordinary trucks into self-sufficient vehicles, allowing containers to be placed quickly and easily anywhere. If needed, you can even load them in pairs. Containers can be transferred directly from one trailer to another or onto a flatbed rail car when conditions permit. During unloading, the long boom reach proves useful for stacking containers. The top Steelbro model boasts an impressive lifting capacity of 45 tons. Even with stabilizing legs, it moves swiftly and offers remote control functionality featuring 2 speed modes, among other capabilities. Sounds like a fantastic deal. It is no surprise that Steelbro loaders are among the best-selling worldwide. Specialists at Napen Trailers are rethinking bumpers. You might assume there's nothing left to innovate, since their primary function is to protect vehicles from serious damage in minor collisions. However, Napen has a unique vision. They've developed a trailer bumper that can raise by 20 centimeters. Why is this useful? Because many countries regulate the minimum distance between the trailer bumper and the ground. On rough terrain, this distance can become too small, risking potential damage. Napen's bumper is remotely controlled, with its position visible from the cabin via indicator lights on the trailer. Sticking with the theme of innovative trailers, let's explore 2 exceptional examples. First, the Globe 55. It doesn't just include a hydraulic axle, it also boasts a removable gooseneck tow hitch. Capable of carrying 55 tons, this trailer even includes a lockable toolbox for added convenience. Meanwhile, Elphinstone Engineering refuses to be outdone. Specializing in log hauling trailers, their designs feature an extraordinary transformation mechanism. When fully extended, the top model stretches to an impressive 33.5 meters and can handle loads of up to 68 tons. Truck drivers may no longer need to pull over to adjust straps, ropes, or chains securing their load, thanks to the innovative XT-Com 90 system. This unique solution features remote control and automatic tensioning, ensuring stability even when logs or other loads shift on rough roads. The XT-Com 90's advanced remote control keeps drivers updated on the load status and sends automatic alerts if issues arise. Additionally, the interconnected top parts of the racks allow this system to handle heavier loads than its competitors. Profitability and efficiency take center stage with the Kogal E-Cool refrigerated trailer, their latest innovation. This trailer features an entirely electric refrigeration system powered by integrated solar panels and regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system becomes effective at speeds above 15 km per hour, producing up to 17 kilowatts of power. The energy is stored in a battery, with the exhibition model featuring a capacity of 23 kilowatt hours. However, there's an option to upgrade to 34 kilowatt hours, allowing for about 9 hours of continuous operation. This setup offers three major benefits: reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and quieter operation compared to standard refrigeration systems. Easetout is a smart removable towing system built with budget-conscious customers in mind. However, once installed, a truck equipped with Easetout does not fall short of a fully fledged tow truck. Easetout can lift 9 tons and tow up to 18 tons. It includes a remote control, making it easy for a single operator to manage. A variety of additional option packages further enhance convenience when using Easetout. The Alucar Ice Fighter, a container designed for spreading sand, is directly installed onto the truck. This proves invaluable when icy, slippery roads create hazards. The manufacturer recommends using sand grains sized between 4 and 8 millimeters and highlights that the Alucar Ice Fighter is heated. Available in 2 models with capacities of 55 or 90 liters, both versions are made from durable 3mm aluminum and can be mounted on either side of the truck. Impressively, the installation process for the new Alucar Ice Fighter takes 50% less time than earlier models. Pricing for this upgrade is available upon request. When a truck transports waste in an open container, there is always a risk of debris scattering onto the road, potentially leading to anything from unpleasant odors to serious accidents. A driver following behind is not expecting a cardboard box, or something even heavier, to come flying toward their windshield. The RCOver system helps prevent these hazards. It is installed on containers up to 90 cubic meters and resembles either a net or a tarp mounted on a rail system similar to curtains. The RCOver can be opened or closed in just 7 seconds. Since each system is custom made for its respective container, it guarantees a perfect fit. The Slapner DB45 trailer has 2 key advantages. It is both a low bed and off-road capable design. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and is capable of transporting heavy equipment such as tracked bulldozers. With the Slapner DB45, you can reach the worksite faster while reducing unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. According to the developers, the undercarriage may last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. With a carrying capacity of 45 tons, this trailer is ideal for transporting heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Additionally, its low bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. Meanwhile, the DAFF team is enhancing its trucks with new features. Their latest construction models, XDC and XFC, now come equipped with the rock-free function. What does it do? Imagine a truck gets stuck. By pressing a button, the driver activates a special gearbox mode, enabling clutch control through the accelerator pedal via the kickdown mechanism. This facilitates optimal rocking of the truck for quick and careful recovery. The rock-free function performs best when off-road mode is activated, and hill start is deactivated, one of many advanced features designed by DAFF engineers. The Hammer drum loader is quite a unique trailer designed specifically for handling cable drums. This focus explains its low-profile design and integrated pair of cranes. The 2024 model boasts a lifting capacity of up to 52 tons, allowing it to handle drums up to 4.2 meters in diameter. To ensure stability, the trailer features retractable supports. Customers are thrilled. There is no longer a need to coordinate with a forklift, and the time required to prepare the cable for transport has been cut down from an hour to just a few minutes. These air-based bags are designed for controlled lifting, holding, and lowering of various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of this system can support up to 866 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can be confident that the system will not be damaged by the tracks. However, the most impressive feature of Matjack Landing safe lift bags is their exceptional reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is required during operation. At Right Track Systems, experts are transforming wheeled vehicles into tracked ones using time-tested engineering solutions. From mini loaders to lifts and agricultural machines, there's a track that fits almost anything provided there's enough space. A standard track typically adds about 10 centimeters to the tire radius and 6 centimeters to the width. After installation, it's recommended to maintain a gap of 5 centimeters. Installation is quick and straightforward. Tracks can be mounted on a standard hoist in just 30 minutes and removed in a few minutes. Moreover, these tracks can be upgraded with advanced ground hooks, which are 4 centimeters long, or spikes for improved traction on ice. IMET is once again ready to surprise us. This company specializes in equipment that transforms ordinary machinery into remote-controlled systems. IMET is prepared to work with virtually anything, from simple machines to tunnel-boring machines, designing control panels that align perfectly with the customer's desires. In this case, we see a relatively compact solution. However, larger panels can be equipped with up to 9 joysticks, not to mention a 4.3-inch color display. The panels also come with a sensor that detects dangerous positions or falls, while the iReady system ensures nothing gets damaged if the operator accidentally presses a button. With this system, remote control will only activate when the operator points the controller at a specific location and stays within a designated radius. The ML team is offering an innovative solution. Trucks used in municipal, construction, and other services frequently end up in unexpected places and can even cause accidents when parked on the roadside. To protect distracted drivers, these trucks are equipped with specialized systems. Once deployed, these systems create a rounded barrier designed to absorb impacts, preventing a passenger car from sliding underneath. Additionally, these systems feature lights and signs, enhancing visibility in dark or foggy conditions. When folded down, The warning and safety structure takes up minimal space, preserving the truck body's free area and not significantly increasing its length. Spotcar has introduced an innovative two-in-one product that's capturing attention. These cabins, designed as large roof spoilers, double as sleeping quarters and offer fuel savings of up to 15%. Positioned above the cabin, the space is so roomy it evokes Japanese capsule hotels. It includes lighting, a socket, a spot for a refrigerator, and other amenities complemented by an 8-centimeter thick mattress. There's enough height to sit comfortably or lie down, with space for 2 people if needed. Another advantage is its versatility. Some versions can be fitted to vans and are compatible with popular brands like Ford and Citroën. UN statistics show that traffic accidents injure between 20 to 50 million people worldwide every year. How can these numbers be reduced? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents stem from human error. Drivers get distracted by their smartphones, drinking coffee, or fatigue. That's why monitoring is essential, and the Guardian generation system is designed for exactly that purpose. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is drowsy or distracted, then issues visual, audible, and vibration alerts. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you feel comfortable driving knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Rear-view mirrors on cars haven't undergone major changes in the past 100 years until now. Perhaps it's time to move beyond them altogether. Rear is leading the way for mirrorless vehicles by utilizing cameras with at least 2 key advantages. Firstly, drivers can view the blind spot directly in front of the bumper via a separate monitor. Secondly, this technology boosts fuel efficiency by 5%. A bonus? These cameras are mounted on specially designed aerodynamic brackets. Schneider's system also improves nighttime visibility, as the 12-inch monitors are resistant to fog, raindrops, and other obstructions, while distance markers simplify parking. Collectively, drivers using this technology have already covered over 3 million kilometers. Would you give it a try? The team at Globe Trailer has also devised ways to make truck drivers' workdays easier. They manufacture dump trailers that significantly speed up unloading. Currently, the Globe Trailer lineup includes models ranging from 9 to 11 meters in length. If the standard sizes do not fit, the team is open to discussing custom designs. Each trailer comes with an automatic cargo covering system and provides a lower center of gravity, ensuring greater stability on the road. And of course, customers can choose from more than 15 color options. When folded, the railgate platform fits snugly against the trailer doors. When extended, it efficiently transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade this is! Especially valued by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the railgate platform lifts either 1134 or 1361 kilograms. All platforms are equipped with a compact and discrete toggle switch by default, which turns off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, along with a power switch for the platform that can be installed inside the cabin. And if you do not yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate also offer smaller models for vans and pickups. Imagine a truck loaded with groceries arriving at a supermarket only to find no forklifts available. For drivers of trucks modified by Wessub, this is no problem. They simply step out and use the forklift they've brought along. Wessub engineers offer 2 clever solutions for this upgrade. One option stores the forklift inside the trailer, while the other mounts it outside, hanging over the road to save space. Palfinger loaders complement this setup perfectly, with the F3 253 PK model folding compactly while lifting up to 5 tons. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.